Hello everyone! If you watched my video last week about when we stay in this camp resort in the middle of the desert, and at the same time we took advantage of finding clams as plenty of them everywhere. There's a lot of clams. See what we got? We have 4 clams here in the huge sizes. Look. So today's video will be my part 2 as I will show you the recipe of my fresh catch clams. Let's start. So this is our catch of the day. We keep them on the ice and let's cook. While the pasta is cooking, here are all the ingredients. Our catch of the day, the clams, garlic, onion, parsley, tomatoes, and little bit of butter. Here are all my main ingredients.